In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Ethernet is not working on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, you need to make sure you connect Ethernet cable with your device correctly. Then click on your Windows key and search for View Network Connection. Then find your Ethernet option and check it is visible or not. If by any chance your Ethernet connection is visible, then right click on it and click on Enable. Hope this option is work for you. But it's not, then again click on your Windows key and search for Device Manager. Then expand Network Adapter and find your Wi-Fi adapter and right click on it and click on Update Driver. Now choose the first option, search automatically for drivers. Then the latest Wi-Fi driver will install on your computer. But still it's not working, then right click on the Wi-Fi driver and click on Uninstall Device. Then click on your Windows key, click on your power button and restart your PC. After restart your PC, another Wi-Fi adapter will install on your computer. By following all of this method, you can easily fix Ethernet not working on Windows 11.